CarStory research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, technology package, steering wheel controls, blind spot monitor, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2020 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.2-liter engine, and comes with a manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear-wheel drive, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, MP3 player. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.